So, good evening, everybody. I hope that you're enjoying tonight, drinking beers, listening about science. Let's plug that. So, now I'm going to talk to you about my project in which I study antennas. Yes, antennas. And I study antennas because they are so important, finally, because they are used to receive information from other cities and countries. And then this information is used to, to control somehow population. In fact, thanks to these antennas, we can go home, watch the news, and to know what's happening surrounding us. But imagine that these builders that are making these antennas, they fail. Then what will happen? That we will not receive information from outside. And then we will go home and we will not be able to watch the news. And then the question will be, in which country we are now? So then, since I'm talking about antennas, you will think, okay, this guy is an engineer. But no, I'm not an engineer, I am a biologist. And in fact, I don't study these antennas. I don't study these antennas. I study these antennas. The antennas of the cell. Yeah, the cells has antennas, and they are used to receive information from the environment, from the rest of the body, and then these cells are acting depending what's happening on the rest of our body. And actually, the antennas are not like this, are like these ones. And how I study, I see them like this one. And I observe them watching fluorescence microscopy. Then, the thing is that to form an antenna, a real antenna, it's more complicated than we think. There are so many workers participating in this antenna building. And in the cell it's happening something similar. And in fact, inside the cell we don't have humans, but also we have smaller workers that they are called proteins. And as it happens with humans, there are proteins that can be like gardeners, or they can be doctors, or they can be also like builders, no? These builders of these antennas. So how can I study which protein, which worker is important for this antenna formation of the cell? So to understand it, I'm going to explain you something. Is that last week I met with a friend that is called Juan, and he was telling me that he was now working in a new company, in an important company in Barcelona. And I said, really? The thing is, how can I know that Juan is not lying me, that Juan is really working there? So easy, just I have to follow him. And if he's going every morning to this company, that could mean that he's working there. And this is something similar what I'm doing, how I'm studying the proteins. I'm suspecting of this protein, I suspect that he's working in this antenna of the cell, and then I can follow if this protein is going to this antenna doing something. But well, that Juan is going to this company, that doesn't mean that he's an employee. Maybe he's working as a cooker in the canteen, for example. So how can I know that Juan is really working as an employee? So what I can do is to send him to holidays. Don't worry for him, he will be super happy during 2 months in holidays, and then I can see what's happening to this company without Juan. then if Juan was an important employee, then the economy of this company will totally decrease. So this is how I studied somehow if a protein is important for the formation of the antenna of the cell. What I do is I can switch off this specific protein. In fact, I'm using a CRISPR-Cas9. I don't know if any one of you have listened about. If not, you will listen for sure because it will become famous. After switching off this protein, I can see what's happening to this cell. And in fact, if this protein was important, the antenna of the cell will totally broken. Then what we have learned today is that, okay, these builders of these antennas and these antennas are important, and in fact, they can answer this question. Thanks.